Hey guys, this is Danny with ParTay. Just wanted to show you real quick. We've got a white screen in house. This is one that I'm building for a customer. It's a 100-inch 16:9 screen, and I've got the three formulas on three different panels. So we've got the Crete, the Daystar, and this is the Mamba that we've covered before. I don't have the Contra white out here. Still working on it. I want to tweak a couple of things about the Contra white. I'm actually thinking about splitting it up. I don't want to do more formulas, but there is sort of a mix between a Contra white and this Crete. So before I load that up and start telling anybody about it, I want to make sure that we even want to go that route. Right now, these are the three that we trust. These are the three that we've employed, and quite frankly, they work wonderfully. We're going to show you now. Now this screen here, I've only done a few base coats, but you'll notice it's a high gloss white. So traditional thinking, high gloss white, you're going to get a lot of reflectivity and you're going to get really good brightness, which isn't completely untrue, but wanted to give you an idea of what it does against the formulas that we've made for brightness and for ambient light fighting. So, and I'm not going to say rejection because there's no formula that's going to be ambient light rejection. I would even argue that many of the ambient light rejection screens out there are not truly ambient light rejection. They're more diffusive. They do reject certain directional lights, but not complete lighting. So just want to give you an idea here. Let me see if we can get us going. There we go. So you can see here, high gloss white, the Crete, the Daystar, the Mamba. And you can notice that the white levels, look at the white levels. You're not losing anything in the white levels from the brightness that you would receive here on the high gloss. But the contrast is absolutely wonderful. And it's hard to tell a lot of times unless you do a side-by-side comparison like this, which isn't necessarily, I wouldn't want to do this with another customer's material. I don't get into all that. But I just want to show you, this is what standard projection looks like. This is what projection with a well-balanced formula that diffuses any external light, whether it's an natural ambient light source or whether it's man-made. I can turn on the lights real quick. Actually, I'll do that and give you an idea. So you can see even more just how much it really starts to cut out at the projection screen. So this customer is going to be going with the Daystar, so when I finish it, I will actually give you an idea of what it looks like so that you can see it in a nice big image. All right, if you have any questions, reach out to us. The email is in the description below, and have a blessed day.